everyone, welcome back to Hopper's Kitchen. Today's video, we are making monkey bread. This is no ordinary monkey bread. This recipe is so easy, you could probably go make it in your kitchen right now in less than 15 minutes. Let's get started. First, you will need a cooking dish and 2 rolls of canned biscuits. You can use the little bitty biscuits, they work perfect. You will need some sugar, a stick of butter, cinnamon, and cinnamon sugar. Before you start chopping, don't forget to preheat your oven to 350. Here I have unrolled 1 can of biscuits. I'm going to dice them into little segments and place them on the first layer of the pan here. Then we're going to take our stick of butter and we're going to chop it into little pieces and we're going to sprinkle it over that first layer of biscuits. Make sure every little piece gets a little bit of butter. Then we're going to get a teaspoon or a tablespoon of sugar, sprinkle it over that first layer of biscuits and butter. Then we're going to grab our ground cinnamon. We're going to sprinkle it over the biscuit, butter, sugar mix there. Give a light layer over that first row of monkey bread. Looks terrific. Now for our second layer. We've added in the rest of the biscuits, the butter, a little bit more sugar, and the cinnamon. Smells terrific. Now we're going to top it off with some cinnamon sugar. And we're ready to go in the oven. We're going to cook it in the oven for about 18 minutes on 350 degrees. I have some regular biscuits there too, just so we can see them plump up just like our monkey bread is going to do with the cinnamon and butter. Got it at 350. And after about 20 minutes, we're going to crank up that heat because we want the top of our monkey bread to brown. You'll see as we go here along cooking, I'll come back and show you. Here we are, starting to plump up. It's looking fantastic. To go along with this monkey bread, I also made some fried eggs and bacon. To go along with our sugary biscuit mixture, monkey bread. Oh, it's looking fantastic. Don't forget to let it brown at a higher degrees at 400 for about 5 to 8 minutes after you've cooked it. For 20 minutes at 350. Here it is. The temperature's rising and voila, it is finished. Total cook time is about 20 to 22 minutes, just depending on what kind of pan you cook it in and what kind of atmosphere you live in, depending on the heat. Look at that beautiful biscuit monkey bread. All it needs right now, 2 things. Oh, it's looking gooey. All right, we got to add on our last layer of cinnamon sugar. Add that on. Sprinkle over top how much ever you desire. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take a cup of powdered sugar and we're going to mix it with about a tablespoon of milk and we're going to make a nice glaze. We're also going to add in some cinnamon. We're going to make it a sugar cinnamon glaze. There it is. Whip that up real fast. Super easy. Here I have pulled it out of the pan, put it upside down on a plate. You can see all the little biscuit pieces starting to crumble apart from one another. So we are going, looks so good. All right, so let's get to work. We've got to add our frosting here. We're going to drizzle that all over the top. Perfection. And if you want to add a little bit more cinnamon sugar, have at it. There we go. Only thing we're missing is a nice hot cup of coffee. Thank you for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Super easy monkey bread. You can't hate it. I mean, it's covered in butter and sugar, right? Don't forget to hit that like and don't forget to subscribe. You can't miss the next up episodes here on Hopper's Kitchen. They're going to be amazing and super fun. Hope to see you on the next, and thank you for watching my video. Cheers.